I have a package here, and today we're gonna be opening it. I've already opened it. Oh, it's a mountain bracket. Nice. And let's see what's in this box. Oh my gosh, here it is. Here's the fire alarm. As you can see, yes, I've already tightened, gotten the mountain bracket on. And, but it was very hard to take it off. Like, there's the screw in there. Yeah. I'll show you the alarm first. So this right here is a Simpson Sensor Spectral Advanced Strobe only. And it's my first device and only device right now. So, because it doesn't have a horn. So here's the Candela selection. And we'll take a look at the back here. So right here's your Candela setting. So you can change it. So right here you can switch it to 15 Candela. It's so hard to pull on this. Okay. You can switch it to 1575 Candela. What that means is that, like, if you look at the side of it, it's 15 Candela, but if you look at the front, it's 75. You can set it to 30 Candela, 75 Candela, 95 Candela, 110 Candela, and 115 Candela. Taking a more look at the back, this is a Simpson Sensor alarm, as you can see. If you want to pause and read it, you can do that. And then, right there is supposed to be like a switch. You'll turn it to something, but it's not there because it's a strobe. And then right there, I believe it's like a part you could put on there for like if you're testing, or if you're using the mounting brackets. So here's the mounting bracket. It's like you put it like get a back box or put it flush up, mount it on the wall. This is my phone I'm about to take down, but right here you could put wires through it, I believe, and there's the right there. And then these holes just supposed to use the screws for it. Here's the back of it. Nothing special except that thing. It's kind of dirty. I think this one's used. And this one, you can take the put it on the mounting bracket and then put it on the wall like that, or I could just put it up here to look nice. Imagine though they put it like that. Like if they're gonna do that, then you put the horn right there, the strobe right there, and put the fire rattling like flipper, and then leave the Candela in the thing. That would have been super funny. But I like it like this better. I do not know how, I don't think I've had the thing to test the strobe, so I think I'm gonna end it here, and once I test it, the strobe, I will. Why does it look so funky on the camera? It looks super big on camera. Yeah. Ignore that's on 115 Candela. It doesn't matter. I don't really know how to. So, anyways, see ya.